Hello, I am Gresa Plasio from Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or BScs 4A. This time, I would like to discuss this topic about linear regression on iris dataset. What is linear regression and iris dataset? Linear regression is basic and commonly used type of predictive analysis, while iris dataset contains 5 columns, such as petal length, petal width, sepal width, and species type. The following tutorial is simple implementation of the linear regression using the iris dataset. First is load the required libraries. When you load the required libraries, you see this import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import seaborn as sns, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and import warnings. The second one is configure the seaborn function. And the third is load the data and examine the first few instances. So this is the code. Data is equal to pd.read underscore csv close parenthesis iris underscore 2.csv close parenthesis. The second code is data.head close and open parenthesis. And when you run this code, you see the result of the first few instances. And they have a 5 column. First column is ID. Second, sepal length. Third, sepal width. Fourth is petal length and petal width and species. And the code one is data.info and close and open parenthesis. When you run this, you see the class pandas.core.frame.dataframe. Next one is data.describe close and open parenthesis. And can you see this 5 columns? The ID, the sepal length, sepal width, and petal length and petal width. In this one, data in this data, you see this iris setosa, iris versicolor, iris virginica, name, species, the type, in 64. And the one is rows call is equal to data.shape print. You see this rows column and row on rows call. So the result is 150 and column 6. On data visualization, which is number 4, can you see this the graph? Any graph that here dot and curve and what we call the circle. And the code one is in here at I'm sorry, in here at below. And they have graph or which is bar graph or bar graph or graph or bar graph, which define the iris setosa, iris versicolor, iris virginica, and the sepal length and the sepal width. And the next is petal length and petal width. And the fifth is multivariate linear regression model. Can you see this this code, this one, and the line graph of mean squared error versus iteration, and you see this cost values and number of iterations. Then have another line graph, this one. So, and the last is iris flower. This is iris setosa is equal to 1, and iris versicolor is equal to 2, and iris virginica is equal to 3. Original value. Ang red ngaya is makita mo didya, which is original value tana. Then predicted value. This one is that na kulay blue, which is predicted value. And iris flower, which is 1 to 3 here. And can you see this data set size? And this one, you see this, the code, the accuracy, and the print. The model predictive values of iris dataset with an overall accuracy of 96.0. Here in linear regression, they have different the graph, the line graph, you see the scatter plot, this one, scatter plot visualizing the iris flower data, and other regression and other linear regression graph. So once again, this is linear regression on iris dataset. And that's all. And that's all.